I'm Ameer Khan. I work with SOCHARA for last 10 years and I'm coordinating Chennai unit at present. And also I did my fellowship in 2004 in SOCHARA. Then I joined as a fellow team member. After my MSW course, then I joined in few organizations to work with street children, work with transgenders, and work on the HIV/AIDS issue and all. And through that process, I came to know Sochara, and I just came here to meet Dr. Ravi and Thelma. And at the first meet of Dr. Ravi, I decided that I have to be here, either as to be a fellow or to be a staff, because the whole ideology which Sochara follows is just synchronizing with me, with my ideology, then what I want to do in the field and how do we understand the society is exactly matching with what Sochara's understanding, Sochara analysis of the society. And this is the first organization in my life at the time of 2003-4 that who understand the issues from a people's perspective and from a right political perspective. So then I decided that I have to be here. When I got an opportunity to be here as a fellow for 8 months, and during that fellowship scheme, I got a few opportunities to explore my own interest area, including a small study of the migrants who come from Tamil Nadu and settle in Bangalore, and building alliances under the JSA platform in Tamil Nadu. These are the kind of two major thrust area of my own thrust area. One is working with community, and other one is to building alliances from a political perspective. I think this both the areas actually I explored through my fellowship, which actually is kind of open space. I got it, and Sochara provided me that space through my fellowship scheme, and I explored both the spaces. Both are both the involvement are like no the basis for my even today's involvement. For example, like the migrant study actually motivated me to work with the community continuously. Like I should not give up any my linkage with the community, whatever position I'm going to come in. And the other one is the JSA involvement. After some 8-9 years of involvement, now I am become a kind of a national, one of the national organizers for JSA, and try to contribute to the national platform through my own involvement in Tamil Nadu. So I think the fellowship actually provided me these two opportunities to set up my career, as well as to explore my passion area and explore my thrust area and interest area, which is actually continuously taking me and moving me into my career and into my field. And I happen to be as a Sochara team member also. I think it's all coming as a one platform, like no whatever I learned in fellowship just consolidated through my team members tenure, and continuous mentorship from Sochara, as well as continuous learning from fellows actually gives us a clue like what we should do in Tamil Nadu, and how do we relate with community, and how do we relate with Tamil Nadu's health system, and what kind of a mechanism we have to develop for improving the Tamil Nadu's people's health. So if you see the slogan of PHM, it starts like no bring back health into the people's hand. That's the kind of a slogan. So community people are at the center, should be at the center, uh, in order to make them, in order to realize the dream of health for all. So in that context, community are important people, and they should be at the center point. For this, actually, there were 50 years of struggle, more than 60 years of struggle had happened, and NRHM actually opened up some spaces, which is legal space, through in the name of VHWSCs, Village Health Water Sanitation Committees, where community can take part officially and can work with the health system to change the situation. So in that context, the community only know like what they want, and if you put kind of a triangle and put the community at the center, and the health system is in the positions to respond and satisfy that need that the community need, and the PRI or the elected representatives are there to facilitate, are there to become a kind of a intermediate person between the health system and the community to make sure that the system is working, and the civil society role is to facilitate all these aspects. I think the SOCHARA role, what we are doing is like to facilitate all these three, motivate all these three sector and facilitate the entire process. When we put a community at the center, and when we believe that the community has to be at the center place, that's where the step towards achieving health for all started. From, according to my experience and according to all my seniors' experience also, like the community should be at the center so that they can take up, they can own it up, they can demand, and they can do their responsibility also to achieve their health for status.